Restoration fails when measurement is wrong. Greenwashing thrives on poor metrics. Counting trees is easy. Measuring function is harder. A forest is not restored because trees exist. It is restored when systems work. Water infiltration, soil carbon increase. Biodiversity return, yield stability. These are functional indicators, but these indicators only tell half the story. The other half is written in the lives of the people who call this land home. Restoration is a human story, a community story. It's the story of a village in the highlands, reclaiming its ancestral forests. They are not just planting trees, they are planting a future. It's in the quiet wisdom of an elder, sharing knowledge passed down through generations. Which plants hold the soil, which flowers call back the bees. Listen closely. You can hear the real data. It's in the laughter of children swimming in a river that was once polluted. It's in the pride of a young farmer who now earns a living from a thriving, diverse system, free from the debt of chemical inputs. It's in the shared meal at the end of a long day of planting, a community bound together by common work and a common hope. This is deep restoration. Carbon credits often ignore permanence. A tree cut in 10 years is not sequestration. It is delay. Soil carbon measured over decades is durable. True measurement prioritizes trends, not snapshots. Is soil improving year over year? Is water retention increasing? Are inputs declining? Technology can assist. Satellites, soil sensors, biological sampling. But numbers without context mislead. Restoration success must be evaluated locally and temporally. One good year proves nothing. 10 stable years prove resilience. Transparency matters. Open data prevents false claims, and community verification, grounded in lived experience, prevents manipulation. Restoration that cannot be independently validated is not restoration. It is narrative. Earth does not respond to marketing. It responds to physics and biology. Measure what Earth responds to, and empower the people who know it best, and success becomes unavoidable.